I know you guys miss Mittens, but I'd like for you to meet Kitty! Aww, I knew you guys were gonna be best friends!
I used to cower in fear, was scared to death. Missed the litter pan and made a mess. I was a scaredy cat. I shivered when I sat. I guess that I forgot that I could scratch. I let you push me into a fighting match. I have paws, just need to use my claws. You chased me down, but I jumped up. Already brushing off my fluff. You see my fur, you hear me purr. Watch and pray, you ready to pounce. You chased me down, but I jumped up. Get ready because I am tough. I am cute, I am adorbs, but I got the claws that are sharper. Scratcher, slashing through the alley. Cause I am adorable, but you're gonna hear me meow. Kidding, you think I'm just a kid. Cause I am adorable, you're gonna hear me meow. Meow. You're gonna hear me meow. You chased me down, but I jumped up. Get ready because I am tough. I am cute, I am adorbs, but I got the claws that are sharper. Scratcher, slashing through the alley. Cause I am adorable, you're gonna hear me meow. You'll hear me meow. You're gonna hear me meow. Meow, 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 meow. I got the claws that are sharper. Scratcher, slashing through the alley. I am adorable, you're gonna hear me meow. You'll hear me meow. You're gonna hear me meow.
Hey, thanks for watching. For more funny videos, pictures of dogs with eyebrows, fluffy cows, and all the yelling cats you can handle, check out thepetcollective.tv.